Okay, Ethan. Ethan, where's Adrian? Where's Courtney? Yeah? Where's Peter? Okay, now where's Fred? You see Freddy? Fred? Yay!
Yay, Ethan! Do you love them?
You love your cousins?
Ethan? Ethan, look at Mommy. Hey! What's up with that?
Oh, you smushed her.
Ethan? Hey!
Let's see it again.
Do you love your cousins?
Yeah. Good job, buddy.
Good boy.
Let's see him again. Peter! Yeah! That's Peter. Alright, where's Adrian? Oh, you fast forwarded. Adrian's out of the picture now. Where's Courtney?
Oh, poor Adrian.
Where's Courtney? And do you see Freddie behind the piano? Oh, that's over. Wait, let's see Freddie. Where's Freddie? Where's Freddie? That's right, Ethan.
Yay, big boy.
Adrian again.
Did you see Adrian?
That's Fred again.
Fred.
Yep. Adrian's not in the shot anymore. Courtney, good job. Okay, one more time. Peter. Yay! Good job, buddy. That's right. Did you have fun with them? Yeah.
Ethan, want to go back to Seattle? Yeah. Maybe next time we'll go to California?
And go see.
Want to go to
Are you
Danville?
calling them? Are you calling your cousins? Do you miss them? Oh, here you go.
What happened, Ethan?
That's a short video. It's a short one.
Who was that? Was that Courtney?
No.
Are you sure? I think it was.
That was Courtney.
I think it was Courtney.
Let's see, where's that long little video? Where did it go? I think most of the microphone ones are on Mommy's. Were you hijacking David's computer?
Do you see David?
You see David? You see him? Yeah?
You like it? Who's singing?
Oh,
Who was singing, Ethan? Who was it?
you can't see him in the shot. Okay.